Hello and welcome to Meadow Bakery. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this semicircle cake design. Before we get started, head over to my website, meadowbakery.com. Sign up if you haven't already done so, and then close the page. Go to the courses website where you'll find a list of courses available to buy on my website. When you find the one that you like, you just click on it and you'll be taken to a sales page where there'll be a video telling you more about the course, and there'll be a bit more information down the page about what's involved in the course, and then you click buy and follow the buying process. I've crumb coated my cake, and you can do any decoration you like on this one. For this one, I think I'm going to put some Skittles. I've got some rainbow Skittles, which I've separated into the colors. They're red, green, purple, yellow, and orange. Those are the colors that come, and I've separated them. So I'm going to start at the top here. No, I start here actually on the outside curve and add red ones all along. Okay, you can notice when I finished this first row, some fell down. You can fix this quite easily. Just add some more buttercream, put a thicker layer, and get them and stick them back on. Start actually at the top there. I've noticed there's a bit less buttercream, so I'm going to add buttercream for the next row. Okay, just enough to stick your Skittles on. So I'm going to start now with orange and go up again. And then I'm just going to carry on with this, and I'll come back when I've used all the colors. Okay, so I finished the front, and you can do the back with the same design and the top as well, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to pipe some icing on top. I'll show you what I'm going to do with it, just randomly. So I'm going to do this at the top and decorate the back exactly like the front, so that your guests, depending on what side they sit, they can see the rainbow on each side. So I'm going to do that. Add more buttercream. So I've added some more buttercream here, just to make it a bit thicker than it was. Sometimes you have to fix things as you go along. So if you find the icing was too thin, just make it thicker. Okay. And I'm going to start layering it again. Okay, nice and simple. Thanks for watching, and see you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website www.meadowbakery.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel.